electronic configuration of an atom.
So, in the last video, we said that the K shell, it has shell number 1 and it can accommodate 2 electrons because 2 into 1 square is 2. And L shell, the shell number is 2, so it can accommodate 2 into 2 square, that is equal to 2 into 4, that is equal to 8 electrons. So, coming to M shell, the shell number is 3, so it can accommodate 2 into 3 square, is N is 3 here. So 2 into 3 square, that is 2 into 9, that is 18 electrons. And coming to N shell, shell number is 4, so it can accommodate 2 into 4 square, that is 2 into 16, so that is equal to 32 electrons. So, and so on. Now coming to the second rule. Filling up of electrons in shells of higher energy happens only after the shells of lower energy are filled. That is, if we take, for example, carbon. So, 6, 12. So, this represents the symbol. So, carbon symbol, and this the atomic number, and this the mass number. Yes, so, this represents the atomic number and this represents the mass number. So, what is the number of electrons then? So, number of electrons is equal to the atomic number. So, number of electrons is equal to 6. Yes. And what is it? How many protons are present? Again, number of protons is 6. And how many neutrons are present? So, number of neutrons, we learned that is equal to A minus Z. That is mass number minus atomic number, that is 12 minus 6. So, that is equal to 6. So, if we consider carbon atom, it has 6 protons and 6 neutrons in the nucleus of the atom. Now, how many electrons are there? 6 electrons. So, coming to the first shell, the K shell. So, K shell can accommodate 2 electrons. So, 2 electrons in the K shell. That's it. That's the capacity of K shell. So, the total number of electrons in the case of carbon is 6. So, 2 electrons has been accommodated in the K shell. So, the rest of the 4 electrons will be accommodated in the L shell, is it not? So, 4 electrons will be accommodated in the L shell. So, carbon has 6 electrons. So, 2 electrons are accommodated in the K shell. And only after filling up of electrons in the K shell, the third electron will enter the L shell. Why? Because only after filling up of electrons in the lower shell, higher energy shell will get filled. So, K shell is having least energy. So, first K shell will get filled. So, after filling up the maximum capacity of K shell, the next electron will enter the L shell. So, only after 2 electrons are filled, the third electron will enter the L shell. The second electron cannot enter the L shell because only after filling up of K shell, the L shell will get filled. Okay. So, what is the electronic configuration of carbon? So, 2 electrons in the K shell. So, 2 and 4 electrons in the L shell. So, 2, 4 is the electronic configuration of carbon.
Okay, children.